Hello students, next chapter is calculus of finite differences and interpolation. First, what is meant by interpolation? Definition of interpolation is many functions may not be available explicitly but only the values of the function at a set of points called nodes, tabular points or pivotal points. Then finding the value of the function at any non-tabular point is called interpolation. Next, differences. Consider the function y equal to f of x tabulated for the equally spaced values or argument. Equally spaced values means difference of two values are equal. Means suppose here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are the values. 2 minus 1, 1. 3 minus 2, 1. 4 minus 3, 1. 5 minus 4 equal to 1. Means differences are equal in between 2 points. Means these points are equally spaced. Y equal to f of x tabulated for the equally spaced values or argument. First value x naught equal to a means first value. Next x naught plus h, x naught plus 2h and so on x naught plus nh, where h is the increment in independent variable x. Increment means here 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 1 4 means here h equal to 1. H is increment of x. X means these values. Increment in independent variable x called the interval of differencing means h is also called the interval of differencing. Let y naught equal to f of x naught, y1 equal to f of x naught plus h, y2 equal to f of x naught plus 2h and so on, yn equal to f of x naught plus nh. First, forward or leading differences. The first forward difference is defined by delta of f of x means f of x plus h minus f of x. H is increment of x. This symbol delta denotes the forward difference operator. Delta f of x equal to f of x plus h minus f of x means delta y naught equal to y1 minus y naught, delta y1 equal to y2 minus y1, delta y2 equal to y3 minus y1 and so on, delta yn minus 1 equal to yn minus 1 are called first forward differences. These are nothing but the first forward differences. Now the differences of the differences of the first forward differences are called second forward differences. Second forward differences means delta square f of x equal to delta f of x plus h minus delta f of x means differences of the first forward differences are called the second forward differences. Here first forward difference is delta f of x equal to f of x plus h minus f of x. Here second forward difference is delta square f of x equal to delta f of x plus h minus delta f of x. That means if we calculate delta square y naught equal to delta y1 minus delta y naught, and we know that delta y1 is y2 minus y1, y2 minus y1 minus delta y naught is y1 minus y naught y1 minus y0 equal to y2 minus y1 minus y1 minus minus plus y0 equal to y2 minus 2y1 plus y0. Next, if we calculate delta square y1 means delta y2 minus delta y1. Delta y2 is y3 minus, sorry, here y3 minus y2. Delta y2 is y3 minus y2 minus delta y1 is y2 minus y1 equal to y3 minus y2 minus y2 minus minus plus y1 equal to y3 minus 2y2 plus y1. Delta square y1 equal to y3 minus 2y2 plus y1. Next, the differences of the second forward differences. The differences of the second forward differences are called third order differences, or third forward differences are called third forward differences. Means delta cube f of x equal to delta square f of x plus h minus delta square f of x. If we calculate delta cube y0, then delta square y1 minus delta square y0. Delta square y1 is delta y2 minus delta y1 minus delta square y0 is delta y1 minus delta y0 equal to delta y2 minus 2 delta y1 minus minus plus delta y0. Delta y2 is y3 minus y2 minus 2 delta y1 is y2 minus y1 plus delta y0 is y1 minus y0 equal to y3 minus y2 minus 2y2 minus minus plus 2y1 plus y1 minus y0 equal to y3 minus 3y2 plus 3y1 minus y0. Delta cube y0 equal to y3 minus 3y2 plus 3y1 minus y0. In general, nth forward differences is given by nth forward differences is given by delta n f of x equal to delta n minus f of x plus h minus delta n minus 1 f of x. Now, forward difference table is first column argument x, second entry of y, next delta y, delta square y, delta cube y, delta raised to 4y. First, write the values of x. First value x0, second x0 plus h, next x0 plus 2h, x0 plus 3h, x0 plus 4h. Here interval of differencing is h, because x0 plus h minus x0 gives h, means x0 plus h minus x0 equal to h. Similarly, x0 plus 2h minus x0 plus h equal to x0 plus 2h minus x0 minus h equal to h. Means here interval of differencing is h for all the values, means these are equally spaced values. Next, entry y means f of x0 equal to y0, f of x0 plus h equal to y1, f of x0 plus 2h equal to y2, f of x0 plus 3h equal to y3, f of x0 plus 4h equal to y4. Next, calculate delta y. Delta y means delta y0, y1 minus y0, delta y0, y2 minus y1, delta y1, y3 minus y2 delta y2, y4 minus y3 delta y3, delta square y, delta y1 minus delta y0 delta square y0, delta y2 minus delta y1 delta square y0, delta y3 minus delta y2 delta square y2. Similarly, delta cube and delta raised to 4. Now, with the help of forward difference table, example is construct the forward difference table for the following set of values. Here values of x are nothing but the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and value of f of x means values of y are 12, 15, 20, 27, 39, 52. Prepare table. First x, second y. First write value of x. X are the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here interval of differencing of values of x are nothing but the 1. First write value of x 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. F of 0 is 12, f of 1 15, similarly f of 2 20. These are the values of y. Now calculate delta y, next calculate delta square y, next delta cube, delta raised to 4, delta raised to 5. Delta y 15 minus 12 3, 20 minus 15 5, 27 minus 27 39 minus 27 12, 52 minus 39 13. Next for delta square 5 minus 3 2, 7 minus 5 2, 12 minus 7 5, 13 minus 12 1. For delta cube 2 minus 2 0, 5 minus 2 3, 1 minus 5 minus 4. Delta 4 3 minus 0 3 minus 4 minus 3 minus 7. Delta 5 minus 7 minus 7 minus 7 minus 3 minus 10. This is the forward difference table of the given set of values. Next example. Actually next is lemma. Prove that yn equal to 1 plus delta raised to n y naught, where delta is a forward difference operator. To show that yn equal to 1 plus delta raised to n y naught. First of all, we know that 1 plus delta raised to n equal to nc0 1 plus nc1 1 raised to n minus 1 delta plus nc2 1 raised to n minus 2 delta square plus and so on plus ncn 1 raised to 0 delta raised to n. Now let y0, y1, y2 and so on yn be a set of values, of any function y equal to f of x. The differences y1 minus y0, y2 minus y1 and so on yn minus 1 are called first forward differences. And are denoted by delta y0, delta y1 and so on delta yn minus 1 respectively. Therefore, delta y naught equal to y1 minus y naught, which implies y1 equal to delta y naught plus y naught equal to delta plus 1 into y naught or 1 plus delta into y naught. Now, delta square y naught equal to delta y1 minus delta y naught, which means delta y1 equal to delta square y naught minus delta y naught, here plus delta y naught. And we know that delta y1 equal to y2 minus y1, means y2 equal to delta y1 plus y1, which is equal to delta y1 is y2 minus y1. Here y1 equal to 1 plus delta into y naught, put here delta y1 as it is, plus y1 equal to 1 plus delta y naught, since y1 equal to 1 plus delta y naught equal to 1 plus delta y naught plus delta y1 equal to 1 plus delta y naught, delta y1 is delta square y naught plus delta y naught equal to 1 plus delta y naught plus delta y naught plus delta square y naught. Delta square y naught is y2 equal to 1 plus delta y naught plus delta y naught plus delta square y naught equal to 1 plus delta plus delta square y naught equal to 1 plus 2 delta plus delta square y naught, means 1 plus delta bracket square into y naught. Similarly, after calculating y3 or delta cube y naught, we get y3 equal to 1 plus delta cube y naught, and so on. Yn equal to 1 plus delta raised to n y naught. Hence, result is proved. Hence, result is proved. We stop here.